If you're still struggling financially in 2025, it's not because opportunities don't exist. It's simply because you haven't learned the right methods yet. Let me walk you through it. I was able to buy my Tesla and move into this amazing apartment using just 3 of the strategies I'll reveal in this video. And today I'm giving you 5. Pick any one of them and you can start earning online. If you're serious about building income before this year ends, tap the like button. It pushes the video up in the algorithm so more people searching for online income ideas can discover it. Now, let's dive in. Method 1. Surveys and game testing. The quickest way to earn your first $10, $15, or even $20 online is by testing mobile games or filling out surveys. I've shared websites where you can sign up, download games, reach a certain level, and give short reviews, or simply answer surveys. Usually it takes 10-15 minutes for surveys to process, then you get paid. This requires zero skill, only your time. Perfect if you're between classes, at work on break, or just have spare hours. First link is in the description. Method 2, Instagram growth. This is where I really started multiplying income. I went from $2, $3K a month to consistently pulling in $15, $20K. The formula? Instagram. I built a page reposting viral content from big creators. Once I hit 10K followers, smaller businesses started paying me for promotions. Today, with 200K plus followers, I can charge whatever rate I want. Just 2 days ago, I made $800 for posting content twice a week. Even with under 100K followers, you can make $100, $500 extra a month using this method. Method 3. Faceless YouTube channels. If you're camera shy, this is perfect. Many creators earn thousands by running channels with stock footage, AI narration, and trending topics. Think dark psychology videos or storytelling formats. It takes more dedication than surveys or games. You'll need scripts, editing, and consistency. But the income potential is huge and long-term. Method 4. Video editing services. If you know or are willing to learn editing, you can offer your services to YouTubers and TikTok creators. Tutorials online are free. You can learn everything from basics to advanced animations. My advice? Start with lower prices than the market average. If others charge $100, you charge $60, $70. People will hire you as the affordable option, and once your portfolio grows, so does your income. Method 5. Thumbnail design. Thumbnails are one of the most profitable skills right now. Creators pay $50, $100 per thumbnail, and they need them consistently. Imagine charging $50 for each, and one creator like me uploads 3 videos weekly. That's $150 a week from just one client. Stack multiple clients and it scales quickly. YouTube has tons of tutorials to master this skill for free. So there you have it. 5 ways to start making money from home. No commuting, no gatekeepers, just effort and consistency. If you're still broke after this, it's not a lack of opportunity. It's a lack of discipline. I've been there too. I didn't fail because there was no way to make money. I failed because I didn't have a plan. So do this. Grab a notebook or use your phone, write down one of these methods, give yourself 60 days to learn it and commit. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. If you're new here, hit subscribe. Share this video with a friend and don't forget to like it. That helps more people find these methods. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.